time is short. It really is. We only have a few hours left until the Amazon Prime deals are over. So I'm going to go through one last list. This list is very important because it has a lot of stuff that you may never have thought of before, myself included. I'm going to link all the items below also, but let's jump right into it. A list of things you need to get now. Our first item we want to look at, Spenco Second Skin. These are fantastic. We have them in the medical world. They're perfect for cuts, burns, and blisters so things don't stick to your wound. And yesterday I talked about Lifestraws for about $40. Here for $25 you can get 4 off-brand Lifestraws. These work great, perfect for backpacks. And in a nuclear emergency, you want to have potassium iodide tablets, 130 milligrams for adults, a 2-pack, 2 bottles. This is enough for like a lot of people, $14. I personally picked up a set of these, a 6-pack of flashlights. You plug them in your outlet, the power goes out, they automatically turn on, so you have emergency flashlights not only to use, but to light up your hallway so you can escape if you need to. Everybody's familiar with Aquatabs, purifying water. A lot of times they just have small jars. Here's a 100-pack bucket. Well, it's a small bucket anyway, for $24. This is an arc lighter. These work really well. They work on electricity and they're rechargeable. They're great because they work very well in getting fire started without having to replace the butane in them. And this works perfectly with some fire plugs, waterproof plugs to get fire started. I've modeled in the past my It's a Hill water filter, which is fantastic, but here's a small electric portable water filter. Has good ratings, and it's only $35. This is pretty neat. Rhino Rescue's put together some kits for specific purposes. This is a wound closure kit. Has all kinds of things you would need to be able to close a wound all in one pack for $20. And they do the same thing here with a burn kit. Everything you need to be able to soothe and try to heal any type of burns. And don't forget your furry friends. Here's a first aid kit specifically for your pets. All kinds of things you need to help your little friends. I have a bunch of these, and this is a great price. 4 lanterns. They are super, super bright. My kids always steal mine. $16. Make sure you have lots of them, especially if you have kids. And here's a similar concept. $12 for 1 lantern, but it has a fan attached to the top of it, so you can have light and air blowing in your face. Back in my military days, I loved my wool blanket. Here you can get a really nice one for $32. They keep you nice and warm. Here is a great concept, an antibacterial wound gel that's a rapid seal, actually makes it so you don't get infections and stops the bleeding in seconds. Pretty neat. I always recommend having lots and lots of paracord. You can pick whatever color you want. Right here, 550 paracord for half the price you'd normally pay. And so essential, a lot of people overlook this one, an emergency survival sewing kit. It's not simply for fashion faux pas. It's actually obviously for sewing pants or clothes as you're going through the woods, whatever you need it for $6. Really good, has everything you need. Yesterday I showed a Mossy Oak knife, but this is their Mossy Oak survival hunting knife. Very nice. 15-inch, only $16. Having a compass is essential. This one's only $7.50 for a really nice one. Let's take a moment and jump over to some food. Here's an Auguson Farms 30-day emergency food supply for $109. Or an Auguson Farms emergency breakfast pail, 4 gallons, $62. This is nice. Auguson Farms freeze-dried peas, 30 servings for $18. How about some Mountain House diced beef? Very nice. High ratings. I think I've tried the Mountain House beef and it was good. $51 for the can. Or maybe you prefer Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce. Also very nice, $44. This is interesting. Chuck Norris has some food out. Here's some Chuck Norris Roundhouse provisions. Cheesy broccoli rice, creamy flavored rice, very nice. $25. Or maybe you prefer Chuck Norris in a bucket. So this is a larger supply here, 2-week supply for $187. Yeah, you go Chuck Norris. We got you, buddy. These are great. And for my backpacking days, I love this stuff. Backpacker's Pantry Mango Sticky Rice. Yum. $6 for a single serving. Or, oh yeah, Crème Brulee. I love these because they're individual serving size and they're already packaged up for you. And these are fantastic. 90 count of Emergen-C 1,000 milligram vitamin C powder. But it also has other stuff too, like zinc, manganese, and electrolytes all in one pack. $16.74 for 90 days. And finally, compact provisions. They have multiple flavors. Emergency food ration bars. These are great because they're high energy, high calorie to be able to get you through those emergency times when your energy starts dying out. $21. So there you go. I linked everything below. We're Amazon affiliates. If you click on it, we'll get a little bit of portion of that sale, and we say thank you because it helps our channel tremendously, but your price doesn't change. So make sure you stock up. Only a few hours left until Amazon Prime days are over, and we want to get everything while we can. Thanks for watching, everybody.